Hi everyone, I'm Peter from Cool Car Videos and some other stuff, and this is our new project car, a 67 Mustang. So we got this car from one of our friends. He had a lot of project cars and he just didn't have time for this one, so he hooked us up with a really good price, and the car already has a lot of things done to it. He has a 5.0 Cobra engine in it, but the electrical is not hooked up. So here's the harness, and I already downloaded the schematic, but I'm sure it's gonna be tons of fun matching everything. On the front it has a disc conversion already done to it, but also they're not hooked up. It needs a little bit of body work, but everything on it is pretty minor, so that shouldn't be a problem. I think the biggest spot we found was here on the trunk. It's not really deep, it's just really wide. As you can see, interior practically doesn't exist, but there's a lot of spare parts for the car in it. I'm missing both front seats. The bottom panel in the rear, I think it's gonna be one of the ones that are gonna have to get replaced. It's not rusted, just kind of banged up. Over time we're gonna Restomod this car. So if you're interested in all the tech tips and other stuff, please subscribe and follow us. This car gonna have its own playlist too on YouTube. Thank you. Bye.